As the nation approaches the Easter and Independence holidays, a time of joy, reflection and family gatherings, I urged everyone to prioritize safety and responsibility. The Zimbabwe Republic Police remains committed to ensuring a peaceful and secure environment for all. To achieve this, I call upon every citizen to play their part in upholding law and order. My office has made adequate arrangements for safety and security of independence commemorations gathering at national, provincial, and district levels. Our beloved citizens are enjoined to avoid night traveling, to curb road traffic accidents, and also to utilize vehicles which have been certified fit, insured, and registered. Police commanders across the country have been instructed to take strong action against unlicensed buses and pirate taxis, Mishikashika, that operate without the required licenses or permits to ensure road safety. As a result, no pirate taxi or bus with no permits will be allowed to pass through police checkpoints and roadblocks. Police officers on deployment will impound all unroadworthy and defective vehicles and arrest any driver found to be driving under the influence of alcohol. Crime and traffic awareness campaigns, patrols, stop and search operations shall be carried out to combat armed robbery, murder, rape, stop theft, drug and substance abuse cases. As school children undertake various social activities during this holiday, parents should guide and properly monitor them to curb cases of drug and substance abuse. The Zimbabwe Republic Police current blitz on drug barons, suppliers and users will certainly be maintained. I would like to urge members of the public to give information on drug bases and drug loads to the nearest police station. The Zimbabwe Republic Police will also ensure that liquor outlets fully comply with the provisions of the Liquor Act Chapter 14.12. To this end, all unlicensed liquor outlets and shambins will be closed while the operators will be arrested for the law to take its course. Licensed liquor outlets should stick to stipulated operation times. In order to minimize chances of robbery cases, the public is again advised not to carry too large sums of money at home or business premises. Companies are reminded not to share information on financial transactions or status with each and every employee. This will assist to curtail the leakage of information to criminals. In this regard, the public should feel free to report any criminal activities at any nearest police station or contact the National Complaints Desk number 0242 703 631 or WhatsApp number 0712 800 197. Finally, may I take this opportunity to wish all Zimbabweans and our esteemed visitors a blessed, crime and accident-free 2025 Easter and Independence holidays. Thank you.